Alright, so one more thing. I just want to show, look at this. I mean, we got just a beautiful rock here.
You know, I was thinking those green crystals are like moldavite that come from space.
Like. That's exactly what it looks like, I think.
Really high vibration.
It's moldavite embedded in there. But look at this. See, look. Still, it kind of likes to burn. Right?
Yeah.
And then look at the interior of this. Here, bring it over to the light. So you can kind of see, like...
Oh, it's darker.
Darker. But look at the back here. Ooh, it fell out. It fell out. There it is.
There it is. It let go. I think it was trying to escape.
So see if he wants to go back in.
Okay, I bet it does. It's like safe in there for him.
But you can see, I wanted to say, like, look how this, like, you can almost see how it fits directly in the back.
Whoa.
You know? Like, look at, see? Now it's like...
It's like its shell.
It's like it changed, like, had some sort of shell, a magnetic field of space around it to protect it from, like, solid matter.
Sort of like spin inside there.
No, I think if you see here, like, the engine bay area, it kind of, like, hooks up. Like, right, there's a little split.
It's its docking station. Maybe. And that's the front.
I don't know. Yeah.
I mean, the shell is just as interesting as the meteor.
I mean, I don't know for sure, but came through like this.
Correct.
Slid out the other side. And then second one, who knows? Second one came in somewhere else. Maybe I couldn't find out where that came in. You know? And here you see the heart. It's all burnt.
That's it. That's its final lifespan.
Yeah.
After we had our way with it.
Just smush them in there a little bit.
Because you have to make sure it doesn't keep growing. That is a little irresponsible.
I might keep them growing a little bit.
We don't want these things everywhere.
Pretty neat, isn't it?
It just seems to grab a hold back in its habitat like that. Like it's back in its home.
This one easily could have then fit through behind it and had a clear passage, so whatever direction, you know, there's one in front, or there was one in front of this, I'm not sure, but if this is blowing through, you know, that's gotta be what's going on.